Hello, it's John. In this video I will tell you where marketing can be applied. So let's get started the video. Marketing can be applied to a wide range of industries, sectors, and contexts. Essentially, marketing is the process of promoting and selling products, services, or ideas to consumers or target audiences. Here are some areas where marketing is commonly applied. Point number 1. Consumer goods marketing is extensively used to promote and sell everyday consumer products like food, beverages, clothing, electronics, and household items. Point number 2. Technology companies use marketing to introduce new products, build brand awareness, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Point number 3. Service-based businesses such as banks, insurance companies, healthcare providers, and consulting firms rely on marketing to attract and retain customers. Point number 4. Entertainment. The entertainment industry, including movies, music, television, and video games, heavily relies on marketing to reach and engage audiences. Point number 5. Hospitality and tourism. Hotels, resorts, airlines, travel agencies, and other businesses in the tourism industry utilize marketing to attract travelers and guests. Point number 6. Education. Educational institutions, from schools and colleges to online learning platforms, use marketing to attract students and promote their programs. Point number 7. Non-profit and social causes. Non-profit organizations and charities apply marketing strategies to raise awareness, attract donors, and advocate for their causes. Point number 8. Healthcare. Hospitals, clinics, pharmaceutical companies, and health-related services use marketing to inform patients and build trust in their offerings. Point number 9. Real estate. Marketing plays a crucial role in promoting properties, attracting potential buyers, and generating leads for real estate agents and developers. Point number 10. Fashion and beauty. The fashion and beauty industries rely heavily on marketing to create trends, build brand loyalty, and drive sales. Point number 11. Automotive. Car manufacturers and dealerships employ marketing strategies to showcase their latest models and appeal to potential buyers. Point number 12. Financial services. Banks, credit card companies, investment firms, and other financial institutions engage in marketing to attract customers and offer their products. Point number 13. Sports teams, leagues, and events utilize marketing to fill stadiums, attract sponsors, and engage fans. Point number 14. E-commerce. Online retailers rely heavily on digital marketing techniques like SEO, social media, and email campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Point number 15. B2B. Business-to-business marketing is also essential in B2B settings to attract corporate clients, build relationships, and promote products and services aimed at businesses. Point number 16. Food and beverage. Restaurants, food manufacturers, and beverage companies use marketing to entice consumers and build brand loyalty.